Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I will show you how to stream Netflix on Discord with your friends. First go to any browser and go to your Netflix account. Then go to Discord, go to the server, then from the voice channel, click share your screen from the left bottom. Now select the screen of your Netflix. You can find it there. Now you can mark notify my friends in the server that I am streaming, so that your friends will get notification. You can select the resolution and frame rate also. Then click go live. Now your Netflix has been streaming. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.